There's a sign. And right here on the side, you get a picture of Billy Bob. Looks very old still.
It's talking to us.
Just right here they have some Five Nights at Freddy's. Yeah.
Oh wow, they have like
Some pictures. Select the show. Here they are. There's Billy Bob. Pre-fire. They look like they've been touched up. They don't seem to be moving.
Did they down again? It's so quiet too, you can't even hear it over this shit.
A little tip jar. But no movement. It's kind of funny. I thought these were touched up or something a few years ago, but they don't seem to be moving at all. You hear the mechanics going, but no movement in any of these. Doesn't seem. Not even Billy Bob's moving.
Right here, and then put a banana.
We spoke to someone, and they're gonna try to get to work now, hopefully. You can see the rocket fire explosion in action.
You can hear the air.
Be in a few minutes, and then we could just be able to see a show. So seating. He's messing with the compression now. We've seen a couple movements, especially in his hands. Trying to get some on camera. Spider seems to be moving a bit somehow. Fast has not moved yet. Just keep the camera on them and see if they move. Oh, there's a hand. Oh, there she's riding.
Ralph is the last one always.
I'm getting very slight movements, but they still do move in some places. He said the most noticeable are Ralph and Mitzi. Not seeing much movement over at Ralph though. Ralph just stood up. Did not get that on camera, unfortunately, but he's up now. Hopefully we can start a show soon. That's what the buildings looks like. For anyone curious, mainly just used for arcade games now. All right, we're done to play. Amazing. We gotta test out this song, see if we can get some of the other ones to move. Okay, so they do have like a little 5-minute intermission between each show, but it's finally lit up again. Hopefully I can get a whole show on cameras, press a random one and see what happens. There we go. Oh, Billy Bob's going.
Well, howdy, everybody. I'm Billy Bob, and we're back with another big show. But before we get on with it, I wanted to tell y'all something really interesting. It interests me anyway. The other night, I was over at Disney World. I was vacationing, you know, I had a couple days off, and I was at Disney. And I was at the Country Bear Jamboree. And I was up there on stage gigging and jamming and playing with all them other bears. And lo and behold, who was in the audience but Michael Jackson, of all people?
Wait a minute.
Yeah. And we got him up on stage.
You saw Michael Jackson?
And we were dancing and singing to all his songs and have a good old time right there at Disney World. He must have been
You saw Michael Jackson?
Yeah, and we did Billie Jean.
The Michael Jackson?
The Michael Jackson. It was so great. And he did some songs from his album Thriller.
No, you couldn't have done that to me. You mean you saw him and I didn't get to?
Well, Mitzi, we invited you to come with us to Disney.
Well, I had cheerleading practice.
I know. Well, maybe another time. But it was so much fun.
I'll never get to see him again, and y'all got to see him.
Well,
it's not fair.
Well,
Michael Jackson's my favorite thing. I love him.
I'm sorry, Mitzi.
Well, did you get his autograph?
God, you know, we were so excited. I don't know, we forgot.
You didn't get his autograph?
Doesn't like Ralph is moving
No,
that much.
I'm sorry.
You're so thoughtless.
Oh, his head just
I'm
turned.
sorry.
Oh,
If
there he
I was
goes.
there, I would have gotten 400
He's looking for
autographs.
Ralph.
I was there and y'all weren't there. I would have gotten autographs for y'all too.
Well, gee, that'd be nice, Mitzi.
Hey, autographs, autographs, that's all I ever hear. Rolf, would you please give me your autograph? Every time I go out in public, people beg me for my autographs. But you know what? I don't give it to them. I get hounded so much, I'm just sick and tired of it. So, no autographs, and that's all. So the answer is no. No, I will not give you my autograph, Mitzi. I'm sorry, you have to give me...
Rolf! They are not talking about you. They do not want your autograph, and neither does anybody else. Would somebody please close the curtains on this nerd? I can't even stand to look at it.
Wonderful idea there. Mitch,
What?
people like Michael Jackson, they get accosted for autographs all the time. Now, he was out at Disney World trying to have a good time. If you had been there trying to get 400 autographs, you would have ruined his day. Do you understand?
Yeah, I understand.
They're all moving so well now.
Now, what are you going to do if you see Michael Jackson?
I'm gonna rip his shirt off. I'm gonna get club in his hair. I'm gonna tear off his shoes. I'll do anything just to make up for this time when I didn't get his autograph.
All right. I can understand that. But for now, I think we should pay musical tribute to the man by butchering one of his songs. But we really like you, Michael, so we're gonna do it to a whole medley.
She told me her name was Billie Jean, and she caused a scene. Then you never kept her goodbye, 'cause her dreams of being the one who'll dance on the floor and run. People always told me to be careful what you do. Don't go around breaking your girl's heart. And my mama always told me to be careful who you love. Be careful what you do, because the lies they come the truth. Hey, hey, hey. Billie Jean is not my love. She's just a girl who lives at Iowa. But the Jean is not my son. She says Iowa. But the Jean is not my son.
and see Michael's new video.
Are you kidding?
Probably get them all in frame for you guys.
Order 1,000, the order is ready for the order 1,000.
We know movement from Ralph, so I'm not really showing him. He just moved in that one little bit.
Hey, what about that video Thriller? Has everybody seen it?
Yeah, I saw it.
Yeah? What you think?
It scared me to death. I had to watch it with one eye closed. I'm under my bed.
You know, I think it sets precedence for contemporary musical demographics. I think that's sort of an anti-pseudo-expressionist.
Yeah.
What's that mean?
It means it's now, it's wow.
Yeah, with a mark propensity towards obesity.
Trying to move.
Hey, Looney Bird, how about you? What'd you think of it?
I didn't see it.
How come, Looney Bird? Everybody's seen it.
So it's on MTV, right?
Right?
Well, every time I turn on MTV, all I see is John Hooter, Mount and Karen. So I turn it off. There's better stuff on my police scanner.
Hey, does anybody remember any of Michael's old songs?
Ralph's moving. Beautiful. They have fixed them up a little bit since a few years ago.
Sit down, boy. I think I love you. No, wait a minute, boy. Get up. Show me what you can do.
Okay, lucky day. I've really considered it. I'm going to sign some autographs after all. Hey, but a limited number of them, of course. 10 autographs. The first 10 people to get lined up right here, line form to the right, are gonna get autographs. No, 20 autographs. That's it. Lucky day. I'm in such a good mood.
Hey, Rob, we're trying to do a show here about Michael Jackson. Why would anybody want your autograph?
Hey, I am Michael's inspiration, you know.
Oh, wait, y'all. Chill out. Ross right. Here's a song he had to inspire.
Showing how
of that too.
There it was. Rocket Fire Explosion.
The guitars you can oh, yeah.
Got a lot of artwork.
Right here, the stuff too. Yeah. They got the furries going here, looking their Insta too.